Right, we let f of z be x squared plus y squared minus 2y plus I into 2x minus 2xy, z to be x plus iy. Rewrite f of z in terms of z, where x equals z plus z bar out of 2 and y equals z minus z bar out of 2i. So what do you need to do here? We need to let f of z be the same as x squared plus y squared minus twice y plus I into twice x minus twice xy. Obviously, with the understanding that z is the sum of x and iy. Just like that. So what we have now, when we proceed, here we have the following. So we perform substitution. Performing substitution means f of z is x. What is x? Z plus z bar out of 2. You square. Y is z minus z bar all out of 2i. You square. Minus twice y is z minus z bar out of 2i. Plus I into twice x. X is from here, z plus the complex conjugate of z, all out of 2, minus 2 into x, which is z plus z bar out of 2, and the y is z minus z bar out of 2, I, like so. And you put your parentheses that way. Okay, we proceed to further multiply these out. And if we do, we get f of z. Okay, if you square the bottom, it yields a quarter, and you square the z plus z bar, and we obtain 1/4 of z squared plus 1/2 of z times z bar plus 1/4 of z bar squared minus 1/4 of z squared plus 1/2 z bar minus 1/4 of z bar squared plus iz. Okay. Minus iz bar plus iz plus iz bar. And then you continue. And continuing will yield plus. And you put here plus. Plus I squared over 2 into z squared minus z bar squared. Okay, so you have these. Okay, now we continue to simplify these. So we're going to carry this step forward and write this next step on the next board, and we will proceed to simplify this step by step, so that we actually can be able to get the desired result. We proceed. Right, so we already know that f of z is 1/4 of z squared plus 1/2 of z bar. So 1/4 of z bar squared minus 1/4 of z squared plus 1/2 of z bar 1/4 of z bar squared plus iz minus iz bar plus iz plus iz bar plus I squared out of 2 into z squared minus z bar squared, like so. Right, so we remember this from the previous step that we wrote. And so we proceed to simplify this very, very carefully and solve this in detail. Okay, now let's proceed now, which means f of z is the same as what? Okay, so now let's simplify these. So we can see that 1/4 z squared minus 1/4 z squared is 0. 1/4 z bar squared minus 1/4 z bar squared is 0. Obviously, we're having half z bar plus half z bar gives us z bar. Like so, z bar. Okay. So plus. Okay, now you have iz plus iz, 2iz. Okay, and therefore we have the minus iz bar plus iz bar, which is 0. So yeah, the iz plus iz is 2iz. And then we proceed to deal with the rest of this. I squared is minus 1. Okay, so which means here we have minus 1/2 of z minus z bar squared. In which case, therefore, we have f of z. So f of z is the same as what? Okay, so yeah, this is minus half, but this one is z squared. It's exactly z squared. So now when we proceed, we're able to have this one is z bar. Okay, so yeah, this is squared. So you have minus 1/2 of z squared minus z bar squared plus I into 2z, like this. And so this is the required result. Is the required result, and we are done with this. Okay, so the question obviously was that given f of z is this, we're to rewrite f of z in terms of z, where x and y are this. And let's check the answer. So this answer is surely in terms of z only, and so we're done. Thanks everybody. Goodbye to you.